quick video on gold recovery using a soldering iron and an Exacto knife. This is definitely the easiest method. It's recommended you cut the traces on all the ram sticks first. Use a nice flat blade rather than your curved one. Now you'll want to do this because otherwise when you do use the soldering iron, they'll all remain attached to the traces inside the circuit board, making them extra difficult to remove. You'll also need a magnet to grab them all, otherwise they'll just fly away in the solder fume extractor. Which you don't want, they're very light, but contain some magnetic metals, so you can use that to your advantage. Some will just come straight off. It's worth having a try, see if any of them are loose. Doesn't look like on this board. That's why the soldering iron. Okay. Take a minute to heat up. Do the other side while I'm waiting. Not many left on this side. Couple more. Okay. You just need to heat them up evenly and they'll break off. There you go. Takes a while for the circuit board to heat up, as well as the iron. So be patient. It is the safest recovery method though. But it recovers all the other metals attached to it, so some tin, copper mainly, plated with gold. This can be quite smoky, so try and have a fan going. The fumes are very not tasty. Gets easier as the iron gets hotter, as well as the circuit board. See why I cut the traces? These would be all sticking attached to the traces otherwise. There we go. Unplug the soldering iron. As you can see, I've got all the fingers, apart from a few small ones with hardly any on. Just one left there. I'll get that one. There we go. Might as well. There. And then suck them all up with the magnet. Helps to have a kitchen towel, as you can see, because they also stick to that. Quite a bit of gold plated bits on there, as you can see. Easiest recovery method. Gold recovery. Till next time.